Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about something simple yet so powerful, bottle recycling. Something simple. Yes, those glass bottles, plastic bottles, and jar lying around your home can do much more than just end up in the trash. In the next few minutes, I will take you on a journey to understand why recycling bottles is so important, how you can recycle them easily, and how to turn them into beautiful, colorful, and decorative pieces to your home or even for your business. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive. Did you know that every single plastic bottle takes hundreds of years to decompose? And glass bottles, while recyclable, often end up in landfills if not reused properly. This creates pollution, harms wildlife, and wastes energy. It is bad for Earth. But here's the good news: recycle saves natural sources like sand, oil, and minerals. It reduces pollution because fewer bottles end up in oceans and landfills. Saves energy. Recycling just one glass bottle can power a light bulb for 4 hours. It reduces pollution because fewer bottles end up in ocean and landfills. It saves energy. Recycling just one glass bottle can power a light bulb for 4 hours. And it even helps create jobs in the recycling and creative industries. In short, by recycling bottles or jars, we are protecting the planet, saving money, and building a cleaner future. How to recycle bottles at home? Now you might be wondering, how can I recycle bottles myself? It's actually easier than you think. Separate your bottles. Keep plastic and glass bottles separate from your regular trash. Clean them, rinse the bottle well to remove food, oil, or drink residue. Check local recycling center. Many cities have drop-off point or pickup services. Upcycle them if you don't want to throw them away. Use them at home. Creativity. Remember, recycling doesn't always mean throwing something in a recycling bin. Something it means giving that item a new life. So you can get best ideas from this video. You can get ideas from this video. You can take SS. Now comes the fun part. Let's talk about turning bottles into beautiful decorations. You can paint all bottles with bright colors, metallic shade, or even pastel tones. Add patterns like flower strips or mandalas style. Place LED fairy lights inside transparent bottles. These creates a cozy, magical glow, perfect for bedroom or living room. Glass bottles make elegant vases. Paint them half white, half gold for a classy look, or wrap them with jute rope for a rustic touch. Cut bottles carefully, smooth the edges, and hang them as planter or lanterns. You can make it cable centerpiece, or you can put this on wall hanging, and you can planting on this video. Seasonal decoration, you can do this for Xmas power. Paint them in red and green and glitter, and put pine branches inside for Eid or Diwali. Decorate them with golden paints and lights. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is you don't need to spend a lot of money. Just a few old bottles, some paint, glue, and little creativity. Growing a small business with recycled bottle. Here's an exciting idea. You can even turn this hobby into a business. Hand painted bottles, fairy lights, lamps, and decorative vases sell very well at craft fairs, online marketplace, and gift shops. People love eco-friendly products, and they are willing to pay extra for something handmade and sustainable. So by recycling bottles, you are not only saving the planet, but you can also earn an income and grow your creativity into a business. So my friend, the next time you see an empty bottle, don't just throw away. Think of it as an opportunity to recycle, to create, to decorate, and even to build a business. Together, let's make recycling a lifestyle, because every small action we take can create a big change for our planet.